Hello everyone, I'm Rozina from Let's Cook with Rozina, and today we have my delicious recipe for stuffed onions, or as we say in Farsi, Dolmeh piaz. Nusha Jan. I use 4 medium-sized white or yellow onions as they are milder in flavor. I start by cutting off the top and bottom of each onion and removing their outer skin. And after removing the outer skin, I also remove the translucent layer beneath it. Now I use a small and sharp knife to gently cut the onion lengthwise and halfway down from top to bottom. This will make separating the layers of onions easier in next step. Just be careful that each cut reaches the center of the onion and then set them aside. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, adding a pinch of salt. Make sure there is enough water to fully cover the onions. Once the water is boiling, add the onions and let them simmer until they are softened but still firm enough, about 10 minutes. Remove the onions from the pot and set them aside to cool down. Use your fingers to gently separate each layer of the onion, carefully lifting them out one by one until you reach the center. Continue this process until all the onion layers are separated into individual pieces. And while you're separating the onion layers, if some layers are unusable or overcooked, simply remove them and set them aside, as you can see I'm doing in the video. For making a perfect and tasty tomato sauce, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pot and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, stir in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and saute for about a minute. Add half a teaspoon each of ground cumin, coriander seeds, cloves, cinnamon, and salt and pepper to taste. Fry the spices for a few seconds until fragrant. Then pour in 400 milliliters of water, bring it to a boil, remove it from the heat, and set aside. Perfect. Okay, let's prepare filling. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, grated onion, chopped parsley, cooked rice, salt and pepper to taste, pomegranate molasses, dried mint, tomato paste, and olive oil. And then use your hand and mix everything well. For this recipe, I used ground beef, but you can substitute any type of ground meat you prefer, such as ground lamb, chicken, turkey, or even combination of these meats. As for the rice, you can choose either short grain or long grain white rice. Alright, it's time to stuff the onions. Place 1 or 2 tablespoons of filling inside each layer of onion. Then join the 2 edges of the onion so they overlap, as you can see I'm doing in the video. Just keep in mind the rice will expand while cooking, so wrap it loosely around the filling. Repeat the process with the remaining onion layers and carefully place 1 tablespoon or 2 of filling in the center of each layer and gently fold and wrap the onion layer around the filling, just like this. Arrange the stuffed onions in a pan or pot, as you can see in the video. Then pour the tomato sauce over the stuffed onions and cover the pan with a lid. And cook for about 25-30 minutes or until the sauce has reduced. They should be very tender when finished. As you can see in the video, the stuffed onions have cooked well and look very tender with most of the tomato sauce absorbed. Hey guys, welcome back. It's final part of my stuffed onion, or as we say in Farsi, dolme piaz. This is Rozina here. So now I'm going to serve stuffed onions in a platter and garnish it with a drizzle of reduced sauce, some yogurt, and scattered freshly chopped parsley and squeezed lemon juice. Maybe you ask, how is dolma eaten or what to eat with dolma? Well, it's a very good question. Dolma pairs well with yogurt, with pita bread, and you can make a beautiful sandwich. It goes well with rice pilaf and with salad. You can also serve it as a meze or a starter or as a main course. I mean 2 or 3 dolmas each and served with yogurt and salad. As you can see, dolma can be enjoyed in various delightful ways, each offering a unique and delicious experience. And voila! Enjoy your meal, or as we say in Farsi, Nusha Jan.